How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. In the last episode, we caught Mesprit as Elf and Uxie Mesprit and as Elf. In this episode, we're going to take on the league. But before that, let's look at team preview. We have our Alex at level 55 with the Fist Plate, with the Modest Nature, with Blaze, Flamethrower, Grass Knot, Close Combat, Command, which it Command learned at 53, level 53. We have our Jet with the Magnet, with Spark, Crunch, Luton, Thunderfang, with ability Rivalry, with Lonely Nature, and yeah, we have our Star, the Staraptor with the Black Belt, with the Lonely Nature, with Intimidate, Brave Bird, Return, Close Combat, U-Turn. We have our Fang with the Dragon Fang, Earthquake Crunch, Dragon Claw, Brick Break, Sand Whale with Relaxed Nature. We have Za with Naive Nature, Mind Plate, with the Steadfast, Psycho Cut, Close Combat, Swords and Sleep Blade. Finally, our Kick with Choice Spec, Aura Spear, Shadow Ball, Flash Cannon, Dragon Pulse with Steadfast again, Sassy Nature. And in this episode, we're gonna take on the league. We have some Pokemon in the PC box, but we're gonna do the team recap in the finale. Hello, welcome to the Pokemon League. I'm Aaron of the Elite Fire. It's good to meet you. Oh, I should explain, I'm a huge fan of bug Pokemon. Bug Pokemon are nasty mean, and yet they are beautiful too. Would you like to know why I take our challengers here? It's because I want to become perfect, just like my bug Pokemon. Okay, let me take on you. Here you go. Lucas says Elite Four number 1, Aaron. So he opened up with his Mega. So I'm gonna use a Calm Mind because yes. Okay, I'm gonna go for this Flamethrower. Do not miss. Yes, of course you would miss. Man, really? Yes, bye bye Mega. Your days in this planet is over. We landed it, and Drapion 53. Oh, they are already catching up with this in the levels. It got burned. No, it's a bad thing it got burned because he's gonna use on full restore. I'm gonna use Command on the full restore. Yes, I'm such an intelligent than my brother. Let's go for a Flamethrower. Bye bye Drapion, you can't survive this. Yes, bye bye Heracross. No, too bad, I outspeed you, and bye bye Heracross. Heracross 56. Alex, Cynthia's Garchomp is going to be a pain in the ass, but we have own Garchomp. Bye bye Vespic Queen and Scizor. Also, I grinded up our Alex with this guy because this guy hates me. We defeated Aaron. I will now concentrate, okay? I lost with the most beautiful and toughest of bug Pokemon. Thanks, Aaron. Aaron, Sabatron, Zang. So I'm gonna heal up our party and I'm gonna save the game. I'll see you guys when I save and heal up the party. Okay guys, I healed up. Well. You quit the Otterworld trainer, but you also got a spine. Ha, Bertha. For funds for grown type Pokemon. Well, would you show this old lady how much you have learned? Here you go. Lucas says, Elephant number 2, Bertha, the ground type expert, and Aaron is the bug type expert, and I have. Should I set up Resurgence? No. This thing had Zen Headbutt. I thought of setting up Zen Headbutt, but I thought, no. Okay, Gliscor. Okay, Leaf Blade. Show me. Okay, we are dead. We are not dead. So I'm gonna predict the earthquake and send out our star. No. Okay, let's go for a new turn because it's gonna go for an Ice Fang now. So for the Ice Fang, I'm gonna send out Alex. Let's go, Alex. Thunder Fang. Okay. Should I send? Oh. Flamethrower, Earthquake, no. Okay, no problem. I have 100 full restores in case if you guys don't know. Let's go for Dragon Claw. Bye bye Gliscor. What the hell? This Elite Four is not that easy. But please get a high roll. No. Sorry, Fang. Gliscor. No, I'm not gonna do this. Let's go, Leaf Blade. Bye bye, Gliscor. Take that, you Bertha. It's for our fallen comrades. Let's go for Leaf Blade. Oh,
Shut
up!
up.
Why? And the remaining Pokemon of ours are not that strong too. It will always happen. Why this? Why is this happened to me? Okay, Golem.
I have close combat.
Yes, I know, but if it will survive, no, it doesn't survive it.
It's critical.
So, crit. Some Rhyperior. Close combat, please KO.
Black belt
Hotly
boosted.
boosted. No, this thing. No! Avalanche? No. We do not lose this battle, guys, because we have our kick. If kick loses battle, I will cry. But this thing, yes, we defeated Bartha, even though it's pretty hard. So, I'm going to heal up our party. Okay, guys, I saved the game. So, let's go. And I healed up our party and let's talk to Flint. Yo, trainer! You made me counting the days on my fingers waiting for you to come. I hear from Volkner what you did in Sunny Shore. You managed to light a fire in that guy's heart again. How could you? Okay. You're flashing a fire tap with me. Okay, here we go. Lucas says, for number 3, fire tap expert, Flint, our old friend. Okay. Let's go for an earthquake. This thing is going to be an earthquake sweep. Yes, bye-bye, Houndoom. Yes, Magmortar. The only 2 champion battles I technically lost are versus Lance and Wallace. I don't know how I lost against Wallace, but I lost. So, that's there. Flareon. Okay, after that Bertha battle, this is an easy effing battle. Not too often you will see so many easy battles, man. Okay, it is going for earthquake. Critical hit. No problemo. Bye-bye, Infernape. And they caught up us within the levels, guys. And we defeated Flint very easy. So, I'm going to heal up our party. And I'm going to save the game. Okay, guys. I saved and healed up our party. And Repulse effect wore off. And let's talk to Lucian. Huh, you timed your arrival. Well, I've just finished reading a book, you see. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Lucian. I am user for the psychic type. I must say you already proven yourself to be outstanding by coming this far. This I am the toughest of the elite four. I'm afraid I will have to go all out against you you to live up to that reputation. Here we go. Lucas versus Lucian. Elite four number 4. Psychic type expert Lucian. And this time Mr. Mime loves to set up reflex and yes, I'm gonna go for another command in case it set up slide screen. So yeah, let's go for a flamethrower. We are at +2. No. I forgot we have command up, so I'm gonna go for another command. Please do not crit me. Yes. Let's go for a flamethrower. Bye bye, Mrs. Mime. We are at +3 now, technically at only +2. But whatever. And flamethrower, obliterated Espeon. Yes, bye bye Espeon. And the light screen effect wore off. Nice. Do not outspeed me. No, let's go Star Aptor. Let's go for a U-turn. Do not KO me, please. Please. Yes. Bye bye, Alakas fam. Yes. Let's go Jet. Should have given black glasses to Jet for this battle. Oh, he sent out his Bronzong anyway. So, okay, we got this critical hit. But he's gonna use this full restore, and so not that it matters, but okay, please get another critical. Okay, we did. Nice. Let's go kick. I'm gonna go for an aura spear, which is neutral. So Gallade, his strongest Pokemon at level 59. Drain Punch. Oh! What? But okay, it doesn't even went for that move. Okay, let's go Fang. Let's go Earthquake. And we defeated Elite Four Lucian. Yes, I defeated you. Congratulations, you beaten the Elite Four. And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum, which is the finale for the main game. So yeah, I'm gonna heal up, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. Peace.